Let's solve unsolved problem in this lesson. First question, read it. A sound wave has a frequency of 200 Hz and a speed of 400 meter per second in a medium. Find the wavelength of the sound wave. In this question, frequency, that is n equal to 200 Hz, speed v equal to 400 meter per second are given as data in the question. You have to calculate wavelength of sound wave. Lambda is the wavelength. We know that lambda equal to v by n. Substitute the given data in the formula 400 by 200. We can get lambda equal to 2 meter. Second question. The thunder of cloud is heard 9.8 seconds later than the flash of lightning. If the speed of sound in air is 330 meter per second, what will be the height of the cloud? In this question, speed of sound v equal to 300 meter per second and time of thunder 9.8 seconds are given. You have to calculate the height of the cloud. Height is nothing but it is a product of velocity and time. Height equal to v into time. That should be equal to 300 into 9.8. We can get the answer 3234 meter as height of cloud. Next, a person who is sitting at a distance of 400 meter from a source of sound is listening to a sound of 600 Hz. Find the time period between successive compression from the source. In this question, frequency of 600 Hz is given. You have to calculate time period. We know that frequency equal to 1 by time period. Therefore, time period equal to 1 by frequency. Substitute the value of frequency in time period formula. T equal to 1 by 600. That should be equal to 1.7 into 10 power minus 3. Finally, time period equal to 0.0017 second. Fourth question. An ultrasonic wave is sent from a ship towards the bottom of the sea. It is found that the time interval between the transmission and reception of the wave is 1.6 seconds. What is the depth of the sea if the velocity of sound in seawater is 1400 meter per second? Here, velocity equal to 1400 meter per second. Time t equal to 1.67 are given as data in the question. You have to calculate depth of the sea, that is distance from top to bottom. We know that speed of sound equal to distance travelled by time taken. V equal to 2d by t. We have to calculate d. So rearrange the equation d equal to vt by 2. Substitute the value of v and t in the formula. D equal to 1400 into 1.6 by 2. If you calculate, we can get the answer 1120 meter as depth. A man is standing between two vertical walls 680 meter apart. He claps his hands and hears two distinct echoes after 0.9 second and 1.1 second respectively. What is the speed of sound in the air? In this question, distance d equal to 680 meter and 2 time t1 equal to 0.9 second, t2 equal to 1.1 second are given. You have to calculate the speed of sound in the air. We know that v equal to 2d by t. Here there are two time data are given. So you have to add both time data t1 plus t2. V equal to 2d by t1 plus t2. Substitute the given data in the formula. 2 into d, 2 into 680 by t1 plus t2, 0.9 plus 1.1. If you calculate this, you can get the answer 680 meter per second as velocity. Two observers are stationed in two boats 4.5 km apart. A sound signal sent by one underwater reaches the other after 3 seconds. What is the speed of sound in the water? Here, distance between two boats is given 4.5 km. You have to convert into meter. So, multiply by 1000. You can get d equal to 4500 meter. Time equal to 3 seconds. D and T are given. You have to calculate the speed of sound in water. We know that velocity equal to distance traveled by time. Here the signal only send, not receiving it back. So distance is simply d, not 2d. Therefore v equal to d by t. Substitute the data and get the answer as 1500 meter per second. Last question. A strong sound signal is sent from a ship towards the bottom of the sea. It is received back after 1 second. What is the depth of sea given that the speed of sound in water 1450 meter per second? In this question, velocity v equal to 1450 meter per second and time equal to 1 second are given data. You have to calculate the speed of sound in water. We know that velocity equal to 2d by t. Here signal sending and receiving. So distance traveled is 2d. You have to find out d. If you rearrange the equation, d equal to vt by 2. Substitute the given data in the formula. You can get the answer 725 meter.